This video includes instructions for making a special in Giza. The special we're going to make is going to be a different size, and we're going to change the front edge to a different layer so we can change the face. First thing we do is launch Giza Specials, and then we're going to drop the part in that we're going to start with. Zoom out a little bit, and we're going to use the Giza stretch command to change the width. Going to window the end, make sure the dimension's proper, going to OK it, and there we go. Our graphic is lengthened. Before I forget, I'm going to change the tag on it to the different size. I'm going to change the viewpoint in 3D here so we can see what it looks like. We need to create a new layer because we're going to be moving the front edge to a different layer. We're changing the front edge so that we can apply a different finish to it than we can the rest of it. So we're going to create a new layer here, a different color, dashed line type, so that when we change it, it'll be easy to see inside of Giza. So we're going to right click, and use the move dialog, and we're going to change the layer here. There we are. We see that we changed the front face to a different layer with a dashed line type. When we click off it, it'll be yellow. It shows red right now because it's highlighted. Check the properties on it. It shows that it did move it over to the new layer. There we go, yellow. Going to save our graphic. When we do that, we're going to change all of the old dimensions over to the new dimension that we changed it to. We're going to go back to Giza. Once we get back in Giza, the first thing I do is I drop in a chair. This is so we can judge the 3D height of the graphic once we've dropped our special into this design. I'm going to go find the user library where we saved the special. There's our special. Drop that in, place it near the chair, switch it over to a 3D view. You'll see that the work surface we just created is on the ground, so we're going to move it up to work surface height. Save it. Now that it's saved, let's go over to VI and see what it looks like. Here we are in visual impression. I'm going to pick on the special that we created, zoom in on it so we can see it a little bit better. And I'm going to go to Materials. And because the graphic is based on an actual part, it preserves the original information so we can apply a standard finish. And now we're going to apply the special finish to the front edge. Going to find the finish we want to put onto it, the visual material set up in one of our color palettes. Just drag it onto the new layer there. And we see that it applied to the special. We're going to apply this back to Giza. And once that's done, we're going to close out a visual impression. Save the Giza file and make sure that the changes we did in VI are stored. And let's do worksheet takeoff. So here we are in worksheet. I'm going to expand out the column a little bit so we can see it. Shows the material that we applied in visual impression. Shows the new 56 inches that we set in the information when we saved the graphic. And that's how you make a special inside of Giza.